All right. So I've had my VESC for probably going on 4 months now, and it's been an adventure. I love the power, I love the freedom. What I don't love is the overheating issues. So there's a few things that I'm doing in order to try to cool it down when I'm out there on the trails. And one of the first things I decided to get to cool off that wheel is the lid and gasket from Plastic Spider. It is an aluminum lid which has these grooves on it, which essentially lets air go through a little bit and cools off the controller, which was one of the problems I was having. My controller was getting hot and my motor was getting hot. So I bought the lid and the gasket, installed it, and the next thing I did was on my bang bumpers, I used a Dremel to cut out a few little holes in the front, which lets in a little bit more air and dust, but it does keep my controller a lot cooler. So now I'm not facing any problems with my controller overheating. But now guess what? You're right, yes, now is the motor. So what I did next is spend a few more bucks, because that is how the sport is. And then I got the Tech Rails Crazy Hubs and the aluminum finned motor cover. And well, so far I've been riding with it for a while now, and what I've noticed is, well, you can't really see it on the app, it won't be very noticeable, the amount of heat you're reducing from those parts. But when it comes to performance, in my opinion, yes, it does matter. It makes a difference. So if you're out there trying to get that temperature down, these parts will help you. So in this video, I'm going to try to take you step by step on how to install the Crazy Hubs and how to install the motor cover from Tech Rails. I'm gonna try to keep it as short as possible, so let's get to it. So if you're loving this music, it's brought to you by Soundstripe, royalty-free music. Also, if you're a techie guy, this was shot by a Blackmagic Pocket 6K with a Canon 70-55mm lens, 2.8. And the sound is by a Sennheiser MKE 600. My lighting is an Aperture 300 with a circular dome to spread the light. This is one of my first videos I make that involves taking apart a Onewheel. I hope you're liking it. I'm sure I missed something here and there, but I promise my goal is to get better at making these videos just for you guys to watch. So that completes our video installing the crazy hubs and the motor covers. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to my channel because there is going to be more epic content coming up soon. I love you guys. Make sure you're wearing all your safety gear and send it.